The goal is to make $100,000 this year by day trading futures. Today, I made $3,000, but I also blew an account. Let's look at the charts this morning. I've been getting some great feedback from y'all, so thank you so much for all of your comments and engaging with my channel. I'm going to be responding to every comment, or I'm going to try to respond to every comment that is made on my videos and absorb everything and try to learn and just to be better. So thank you everybody that's been engaging and commenting on the video. I really, really, really appreciate it. Alright, daily candle. The daily candles still have a bullish upward trend. Let's see if price will continue up. It already took out previous day's lows right here. So it's kind of in that area where it could pump up to take out previous day's highs. On the 4-hour, price looks to be bouncing from a fair value gap right here, respecting that median line as well. There is also a fair value gap here. So if price actually inverses this fair value gap, it could mean that it's running up. So I'm going to watch for that actually, this 4-hour candle. There's 34 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. So if it decides to fill in that gap and close above it, then I'm going to go long. Alright, let's look at the 1-hour. You see how price is just moving sideways? So market conditions aren't that great. It's just teetering around the previous week's highs, but you know, this is expected after a large move up like this huge energetic move up. It's expected for price to kind of just consolidate and move sideways for a bit. I don't see anything on the 1-hour that would tell me that price is bullish or bearish at the moment. On the 15-minute candle, price had definitely just took out all of these session highs and session lows. So we're kind of, and price is kind of going back into the median, the 50 fib level. So I mean, we're going to see what price does here at the 50 fib. It could bounce from the 50 fib and go back up, or come back down into optimal trade entry, which is the 618 down to this level here, and bounce up, or it could just decide to run down. So nothing is confirmed. We're just going to sit tight. I mean, this bullish fair value gap inversed on the 15. This looks like it's going to inverse on the 15. So we could be headed down, but it's best to kind of just sit tight. Just a reminder, we do have news on Thursday and Friday, so price could just be ranging until then. So the plan is to sit tight, not rush into anything, really try to beat the psychological aspects of trading today, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you all posted. 9:30 open sends price down. On NQ, price hit London low, while ES did not. This is a bullish divergence. So I'm going to be looking to take a long position shortly. I'm just going to wait for that low to be confirmed here. One contract. I'm going to send this up to here. Trade stopped out. $204 loss. I think my stop loss was a bit shallow. I'm going to try again right here. Stopped out. Alright, after that loss of a position down here, I scalped a couple more trades that was not documented because I was in a call. But currently my account is at a loss of $40, so I was able to make back about $400 with this position that's live at the moment. I'm going to keep an eye on this to see if this position will head up to my take profit. Today's price action is a bit wonky, so yeah, it's a little weird. The reason why I went long here is because it respected this fair value gap. Price came up, it respected this, came into this fair value gap, so I took that long position up. We'll see what happens. I'm pyramiding in here. On the 1 minute, there is a fair value gap that price is kind of respecting, so I'm doing a scalping position. 2 to 1. Should I put my stop loss down here for that scalp? Honestly, I think price is going to take out these relative equal highs up here, so I'm going to put that right up there. All right, let's see what price does. All right, I don't think I want to risk this one position scalp anymore if price continues to just kind of consolidate. So if it comes above my entry a little bit, then I'm going to take it. I'm going to move this down to here for a little bit for now. Closing it. Account drawdown 400. I entered another position here at that fair value gap. I'm going to see what it does. My account balance right now in drawdown is 392. I took another small scalp here up to this candle. So I was about to make another $100. But I'm really not liking this price action, man. This is bad. Yeah. Literally right after I took that loss, I cut off the live recording just to reassess, and then I saw that price was still within the fair value gap, so I took a scalp up here, which brought my drawdown back up to, I mean, with this position that I'm in now, I'm in drawdown of $60, $90 now. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to keep this up. All right, I took that stop there just so that I won't be stressed out. I'm going to look for another entry. All right, buy limit order is in this volume imbalance. Tagged in. Jeez, price does not look good. Again. I looked away for a little bit and I saw that I was stopped out. My account is now in drawdown of 179. Today's just not a really good day. I'm going to be patient now. No more entering trades until a PM session. What you're looking at here is not the account that I was trading with before. That account is gone. I blew that account. I did not manage my risk well. I did not control myself. I did not stop trading after I lost $500. I kept on trading thinking that I can make it back, and I had to reset it. I was able to make $3,000 today, but I'm not too happy with the results, mainly because I was not managing my risk well. I took a total of 11 trades, 3 losing trades. My largest losing trade was $650, and that's what I mean. I did not manage my risk well. My largest winning trade was 1.1K. Now let's look at the executions on the chart. 10 contracts, 10 contracts, 5 contracts. So when I say that I didn't manage my risk well, this is why. Because I was taking 10 contracts because I was revenge trading. It's really hard to really tackle the psychological aspect of trading. And I've been receiving a lot of great feedback, a lot of great comments, showing support and giving me some advice on what to do, what to look for, how to implement certain things. So I really appreciate all of that. So, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I appreciate all feedback. I read all of the comments, and I take all of the comments to heart as well. And yeah, let's continue on this journey and learn from each other. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.